Hello everyone, this is Seri. Welcome back to my channel. The weather changes quickly, so I think this menu is good for this season. At first, I will make a soup. Fill the pot about halfway with water. Let the water to boil, and I will prepare the vegetable. The vegetable I use today are a few chopped carrots, 2 chopped cloves of garlic, 1 big piece of ginger. Add a little bit of salt when the water is boiling. Add the garlic, ginger, and carrot. Add a cube of chicken stock and then add the chicken thighs. Let the soup to boil, and in the meantime, I will make the sauce. Add a little bit of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 chili peppers, and grind them together. Add 2 spoons of sweet black soy sauce, 1 spoon of soybean paste. Mix it together with a bit of stock. Return to the pot and remove the foam from the soup. Use the stock to cook the rice, about 2 cups. In the original recipe, you should fry the rice before you cook, but I will skip this step for my recipe. The rice cooker pot has markings for how much water should be used. I also put some ginger and carrots from the soup to give the rice a better aroma. When the chicken is ready, slice it and place it on top of the rice. I cut a few slices of cucumber and I garnish the rice with the sauce. I eat it together with the soup. This is my winter menu. I hope you guys enjoy it. See you next video. Bye!